Ready to set things up so your developers can extend your Oracle Cloud application? Here's how to make sure things will run smoothly when your developers and administrators get to work. Before you get started, make sure that your Oracle Cloud App and Visual Builder Studio installations are already set up and running, and that you have administrative privileges for Visual Builder Studio, which we'll call VB Studio from now on. In Oracle Cloud applications, your developers need to have a suitable role or privilege as well. You can access VB Studio from your Oracle Cloud Applications navigation menu. The first thing you'll need to do is set up a VB Studio project, a collection of resources your team will use to do their work. Give your project a name, maybe the name of the Oracle Cloud app, like Digital Sales. Select the application extension template. Using this template is the single most important thing you can do to guarantee smooth sailing for your Oracle Cloud App developers. It sets up a bunch of things in the background, including a development environment based on the Oracle Cloud App instance you select. You'll use this project for all the extension work on this app. A name is automatically assigned to the app extension based on the project name you supplied. A default name is also assigned to the workspace, which is a private Git repo where your work will be stored. You can change these values, but for now we'll just leave them. Your development Oracle Cloud App instance is automatically selected. Next, select the base Oracle Cloud application, which is the app your developers will extend. Finally, change the Git repo name or the name of the working branch if you want, although you probably won't need to. Click Finish to start creating the project. Here's the project homepage. When you create a project using the application extension template, some artifacts are automatically created for you, like a Git repository, a workspace, an environment, 2 build jobs, and a pipeline. Let's take a look at the Git repository, which is where the source code for your app extension will live. You'll use your private workspace to edit the app extension in the VB Studio Designer. Although we've created packaging and deployment jobs for you, you still need to configure a few things so your build jobs will run properly. Click the deployment job and specify the credentials needed to connect to the target development instance. This only needs to be done once for the project, even if multiple people will be using it to develop app extensions. While you're here, you may want to create production jobs and set up another pipeline for packaging and deploying from your Oracle Cloud App development to your production instance. We recommend that you make the jobs private for only authorized users and ensure that the pipeline is manually triggered. If you need help with any of these steps, the Visual Builder Administration Guide is there to guide you. After setting up the project, add members to the project and define the privileges they'll have. When you add a project member, you specify the level of membership: Contributor, Developer Limited, or Developer Full Access. As the project owner, you have full access. One last thing, notice that your project has an environment called Development. To see what's in it, click the Environment tile. Here's the Development Oracle Cloud App instance you specified when you created the project. Later, you'll probably want to set up more environments that point to your Oracle Cloud Applications test and production instances. You've now done everything required to set up VB Studio so your developers can start creating app extensions right away. Thanks for watching. Learn more at docs.oracle.com.